They defend themselves, that's all. They raid us because they have to. If they don't bring enough food back, they'll be eaten themselves. There's something else on their island, Dad. It's a dragon like
their island? So you've been to the nest?
Did I say nest?
How did you find it?
But no, I didn't. Toothless did. Only a dragon can find the island. Oh, no, Dad, no. Dad, please. I promise you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You're not a Viking. You're not my son.